Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm gonna show you how we can log in with QR code in WeBull. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, you will see menu option. You have to click on that. Next, open your profile. You will see these options from which you have to click on login with QR code. Here you can scan your QR code. After scanning your QR code, you will be logged in with WeBull desktop or website. So this is how you log in with scanning QR code in WeBull. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.